Alright, welcome back. Now today what we want to do now, some of us may know about it, and some of us you want to set it up, maybe you don't know about it. So if you know about ChatGPT, you may not bother about this, but actually I'll still want you to watch the video, watch the training, because there are still some of those skills that you may want to add to whatever you know before. But ChatGPT is what we are looking at today. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to type something called openai.com. See what I type? https://openai.com. So when I click it, you need the internet to run this anyway. So this is going to open for me. I want to have something like this. Is the OpenAI. So these are the people that own the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a good key for everybody this age. So I don't have this. So at this point now, it asks me to try it, or I can do a login. So if I click on login, I don't have any login detail. So what I need to do is I need to create a login for myself. I click login, so it's asking me. So over here, I can always log in with my Gmail. If I have a Windows account, a Microsoft account, yes, I can log in with your Gmail. If you are working on a phone, your phone actually has a Gmail account active on your phone if you are using Android. So you can actually log in without your phone, or if you are using Apple phone, iPhone, you can also log in with the login of the Apple detail on your phone. But I prefer to create a login by myself, so I'm not going to log in with any of that. So this is my normal login myself, but I'm not going to be using this for the sake of this training. I'm still going to come back there anyway. But let's set up one by ourselves. So let me say I have an email called gmail.com. So I have this address, and I say continue. So it's going to ask me to put a password to it. So get yourself a password. Just make sure you put a password and let it work. So I'm going to put a password. So that is my own password. I don't want to make it visible. So just put the password, then click on continue. So, but the reason why it's giving this error is that it's telling me I want to log in. I don't have an account. So I'm going to come here. I'll click here. Do you have an account? No, I don't have. So I click on sign up. So the sign up take me back here. So I have done something like this before. So he asks me for my password. So I put a password to it now. So it's telling me at least 12 characters. So that is serious. So let's come up with a 12 character password. How many characters have I done? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've done 10 already. So then I can add 2 to it. So I just had 2 characters to it. So I have 10 characters now. So then I can continue. It's trying to welcome me. It said we've sent an email to this email address. So I have to go and click inside it. Then I can go ahead from there. So let me just click. I can log in now because my Gmail is actually active on my system. So, or you log into your Gmail account. So you see, it has sent me a detail here. So I just click on this. I click to open. So I need to verify that email. So if I have to click on this to verify. So I click on this. So that's verifying the email. So it's going to redirect me back. So now it's asking for my detail. I will have to change my name a little bit. That is my name, my organization. I can call it Research Hub. So my date of birth. Okay, let me just put a random date of birth there. So I'll call it 03. Let me say 1960. Let me say 69. Just put a random. I'm not as old as that. So I click on agree. So it's going to load and load. So it's asking me, do I want to? So I'm just teaching us how to set up a ChatGPT account if you do not have. So I click on this. So let's see what I'm going to have. So then I'm going to have this account. It's telling me some of those things I need to know. So you can care to read about all this, and you can drop it. Depends on you. So this is what you will see. By the time you see this now, that means you are on your ChatGPT account. So I'm going to continue from here now.